Hey, this is Roger with Roger's Reviews. We're going over how to put a track back on the Ditch Witch SK755 Turbo. We hit one of those little things like this in the ground. That's all it takes to knock your track off.
That's it.
A little nub in the ground. Just like this. I think this is the one right here, the culprit.
Yep, that's the one.
That guy right there, you turn on that, you hit it, back up, knocks your track right off. So you want to go ahead and grind those stumps out before you get in here with the brush hog. First thing we had to do, what size was that?
This is a 19 millimeter.
19 millimeter. You back that grease fitting back, pull it all the way out. Then what we had to do is take a piece of wood, put it here, and basically use the machine to push this part back in. It pushes the grease out. And then once you push the grease out, once this is all the way in, you put the grease fitting back in, tighten it up, and now we're going to put the track back on. All right, we got it tightened up. All right, let's double check. Double check.
Yep.
It's very dangerous too because you're up underneath the machine, so you got to make sure that everybody's paying attention.
And always have enough tools with you too.
So, first thing we're going to do is put the front on. The back on. Ones with the teeth. And then what we're going to have to do, we're going to have to turn the machine on and slowly work the track back on. And then sometimes the fly bar will do it too.
Sometimes we can get it without doing it, but
yeah.
let's see.
This back over here. There we go.
Good job.
All right, we didn't have to turn the machine on. Now we just got to put grease in it. Hopefully we got enough grease to tighten this bad boy back up.
Yes, sir. There you go, Roger.
Got the old tried and true safety red Milwaukee automatic grease gun, because sometimes you don't want to pump your arm too much up. With the regular grease gun, it takes all day. With this thing, it takes a few seconds if we have enough grease. See, it's slowly starting to tighten up.
It expands as you pump that grease in and it tightens that track back up. Look at this pulsation.
Yeah.
Now what do you recommend for the tightness of it?
There's actually a gauge that you can screw into this that'll tell you the exact tightness you need. We've been doing it for a while, so I kind of have a pretty good idea of how tight it should be. You don't want to get it too tight because it'll wear the bearings out in these hubs. So what we're going to do is get it nice and taut, but not super tight, so we can finish our job today, and then we can later on see if that.
Yeah, that one's pretty tight, Rod.
All right, how we doing? Feel this one.
Let me feel this one.
That's probably tighter.
That's just about right.
Okay.
You tell me what you think. That's pretty close.
All right.
Pretty close. But that little root right there will set you back a little bit. You know, when you're working and track comes off, it will set you back. You know.
All right. This is Roger that and Adam 12, and got the cameraman Josh on the camera, coming at you with Roger's Reviews. If you like this video,
please like and subscribe.
Smash the like button, subscribe, and we'll bring you a lot more goodies to help you on your
Don't forget to ring that bell, because we will send you some more.